For the unrecoverable, we are using something called panic macro. So it aborts the program execution immediately when this happen, or when this situation happens, like this case. So that's the panic. Panic the current thread, allows the program to terminate immediately and provides feedback to the caller of the program. This is an example of a panic, how to panic, and we have a code example here. For the unrecoverable errors, we have two functions to show this. Index out of bounds, which means we have a vector. This vector have three values, and we calling the fifth value because this is the index number 4, which means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth one. Okay, and for this function we have a divide by 0. We're just passing two numbers, and if we are dividing by 0, so it will panic. We will use panic, and we will see the behavior of the system in this situation. So let's take this, continue other operations at the end after those functions, and we will use one by one. We will see index out of bounds. You can see here, let's just return the file again just to make this normal. Okay, so inside index out of bounds function, that's the function inside index out of bound functions. Thread main panicked at, this is the location of the panic. You can just press, you can find that the panic happened here because try to access a value out of bounds. Okay, so now index out of bounds, the length is 3, but the index is 4. That's why now the software panicked and it stopped. You can see I just asked to print a statement here after this function. I asked it to just continue other operations. So it's not continue, it just stopped. That's the panic doing. And that's the error which is not expected. Okay, so let's take the other example, which is divide. And let's go to the divide, and we'll see what's happened. In the divide also, we just pass 3, 0, and it just panic inside divide function, dividing A by B, and thread panic on this because it found that the operation, it found that the B is 0, means if we do this operation, it will panic. So we did the panic already to avoid this. If I, for example, do comment for this, what expected? Expected thread panic, but will panic here. Attempt to divide by 0. What's happened is that I just do some recover, but also I showed you how to panic. Panic also will stop the program. So if we would like to make it recoverable, we can just say if it's equals 0, just return normal error, not panic, because panic will stop the termination of the program. Okay, so that's how the errors can be handled in Rust by different situation or by different, so recoverable or unrecoverable for this video. Thanks.